Hi there, Isaac Fried, talking about my new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps, The Modern Layperson's Guide to Enlightenment. I don't claim to be enlightened, but I claim to have Googled the definition of enlightenment, so let's go with that. Today we're talking about, let's see here, Chapter 8, Resentment and Forgiveness. If you want to learn how to not give a fuck, and to find peace and freedom in your life, notice how many people you resent. I wrote a list of all these people. People from my past, from elementary school, from old jobs, from different communities I've been in. People that just rubbed me the wrong way, that I didn't like their way of being or something. Just this little resentment, like, ugh. And I realized that everyone does the best they can. People have pain in their hearts. It causes them to be unconscious, to act hurtfully or unwisely to others. So I looked at this list of over 50 people who I had these little energetic grudges against. And one by one, I said a prayer for them. And I encourage you to do the same thing. Notice who you resent and how that makes you feel and what a waste of energy that is. They say resentment is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. It serves no purpose. It creates separation, contraction. Notice who you resent. Forgive them. Allow them to be who they are and let them go. This will bring you peace. This will bring you freedom. And you will become a master of not giving a fuck. You can also pick up my book and learn all the other ways to master how to not give a fuck in 10 easy steps. There's 41 steps, but who's counting? Thanks for watching. Have a great day and pick yourself up a copy of the book. Bye now. Hey, thanks for watching these videos. I hope you're enjoying them, getting some good nuggets of wisdom, a few good laughs. And I'm making this little addendum video because I can't put these little links in the corners here of the videos like you used to be able to do until I have 1,000 subscribers, which I don't have. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Hit the subscribe button if you want to help me out, get to that 1,000, you and 999 other people, and I can put little links in the corners. You can go buy the book or check out the websites. In the meantime, hopefully down here in the description, there's some websites. Real simple. One, howtonotgiveafuck.net is about the book, articles, some funny videos. Then my own website where there's some poignant articles I've written, more general topics. And if you want, sign up for the email newsletter. We don't really harass you much, but we let you know when there's new videos. And me and my business partner, Boulder, he's like the tech guy because I'm just learning how to make videos here in 2020. And what else? You want to sign up for the newsletter because you'll be the first to know about the new book that's coming out. I'm not sharing the title of it yet because it's too good. So thanks for watching. Some websites down there. And hit some buttons with thumbs and subscribes or do whatever you want. Be a good person. Have a good day.